Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, August 16th, 2018. It is a muggy morning out there with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, even a couple of upper 70s in there. We have a wide range of temperatures, mostly because we are seeing a lot of low clouds and fog throughout the region. Notice the visibility here, 4 miles, 4 miles, 3 miles over northeastern Pennsylvania. Again, along the coast, around 6 to 8 miles. So we are seeing some low clouds and fog, reducing visibility, so definitely keep an eye on that. This fog will slowly lift as we move towards 10 a.m., and what will give way is some hazy conditions and some rather hot and humid weather conditions with, again, this isn't record-breaking, but it's uncomfortable. High levels of humidity, you're talking about dew points in this upper 60s to lower 70s, and high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s along the coast and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else, pushing that heat index into the mid 90s. So definitely be prepared for that. On the radar, not much really reaching the ground or going on. There's so much moisture here that it's starting to get picked up on the radar, but for the most part, we're dealing with dry conditions. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see clouds approaching the region. It's going to be one of those hazy days with some mix of sun and clouds, not a completely sunny day, but certainly the primary story here would just be the humidity and the uncomfortable nature of the atmosphere. On the surface map, high pressure is pushing off the coast. This cold front is going to be a pest, not only for tomorrow with showers and thunderstorms, but for the entire weekend with variable cloud cover and a threat for a shower at any time. Not a washout this weekend. But if you have an outdoor plan, definitely keep an umbrella with you, or at least have a backup plan in case you run into one of these showers that'd be capable of some brief heavy downpours. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Mix of sun and clouds, hazy, uncomfortable, humid. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. For tonight, look for areas of low clouds and fog. Isolated showers developing towards morning, but the keyword there is isolated. Most locations will just be cloudy and foggy and uncomfortable with lows in the lower to mid 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, a cold front will be approaching the region very, very slowly with showers and thunderstorms, with this trough moving through ahead of the cold front, kind of called a prefrontal trough. And this trough will lead to showers and thunderstorms capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Temperatures ahead of these thunderstorms will rise into the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else, with the humidity pushing the heat index into the mid 90s, possibly upper 90s in a few urban locations like New York City. For Saturday, the cold front is going to slowly push through in the morning hours and then stall out along the coast. It's going to lead to variable cloud cover and a threat for some widely scattered showers. Again, not a washout, but just a bit uncomfortable. Lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Sunday, that cold front will sink to the south with more of a northeasterly wind, so we're going to be a bit cooler. Look for lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s away from the coast, and look for variable cloud cover with drizzle and a few showers. Again, not a washout, but certainly not a beach weekend, that is for sure. For Monday, high pressure will take hold, but notice the high pressure system is coming in from the Canadian Maritimes. We get an east-northeasterly wind with lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Tuesday, a warm front will approach with increasing clouds and showers towards the evening, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Wednesday, a cold front will move through with scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. And behind this cold front is some really crisp polar air. We're talking about lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s on Thursday morning. We're talking about highs in the mid to upper 70s. And pushing a little bit forward on Friday morning, we could be seeing some lows in the northern interior, possibly pushing into the upper 40s to lower 50s range. We have to keep on watching this data, but certainly it looks like a nice little cool push is on the way for the end of next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.